Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how to properly tie your shoes. This one goes out to the guy at the suit store I went to recently that didn't have his shoes tied properly. Stay tuned. It figures, right? I get ready to film a how to tie your shoes properly tutorial, and what do? Break a lace. But don't worry, I got another one. Let me lace this boot up on and we'll get this thing done. This is how most people do it. This is, again, the incorrect way. You're gonna tie like this, go around. This is where people usually make their mistake, and you're gonna pull like this. And as you can see, it's going 12 and 6. This is not what you want. This is gonna be loose. This is gonna come undone. You're gonna have to tie your shoes multiple times per day. Let me show you the proper way how to do it. Okay, so let's get started. This is how you want to start. It's going to start off the way you know it for the most part. You're going to pull, going to make your loop, but instead of going under, okay, you're going to go over, hold that little piece there, hold your knot, and pull like this. Check that out. This is the proper way, okay? As you can see, it's pointing at 9 and 3. This is only going to get tighter as you walk. One more time, we'll show you again. Okay, pull tight. Do it like how you know how to do it for the most part, but this is where you forget the song, okay? You're going to want to go around like this. Make the little loop on your thumb. See how my right thumb, which is wiggling right there? Then push that through the hole. And there you go. A nice tight knot that's only going to get tighter the more you walk. Now, as an added tip, you guys can tuck your laces behind here if you want to. You can do that with your more formal shoe, like your Oxfords. I wouldn't do it with sneakers, but I mean the chukka is kind of it's more of a casual boot, but it's a dressy casual, I would say. You can do it with your chukkas to get a more refined look. Having your laces tucked, you know, it kind of gives you a much better silhouette. Again, an option, not something you need to do, but it's there. Okay, so one more time, a quick example. This is what you want your laces to look like. This is not what you want your laces to look like. This is going to come undone. This is going to stay tied all day. And even after you do this, if you feel more comfortable in double knotting, you can do that too. But make sure your laces look like this, not like this. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me today while we did this quick how to tie your shoe properly tutorial. Hopefully the guy at the mall saw this. Truly, it's been an honor. Thanks for hanging out with me today. But as always, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm. Ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. Dude15 will save you 15% off your total purchase. And you can see some of the stuff down below right here in YouTube. And with that, we will see you next time. So take care, guys. Peace.